Mello, and welcome to episode 1 of the object review, where we look at an object and review its aesthetics. Today we've got a Rainbow Dash and Applejack set, and it comes in this very nice tin. Gotta give them good points for the tin. Your stids come in a cellophane wrap, took that off. Pre-prepared everything. This is not an unboxing series. Read the story, make the models. We'll get to that in a bit. But look at this, lovely. And I think that's a sticker. Now, yeah, this can just peel off. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Okay. So, the sticker comes off, and what you're left with is this very nice tin. I've got to give you points for making this a sticker, extra points for making this a sticker, so you can just have this gorgeous tin. I think that's just a little paper as well. Yeah, this is just a sticker, so this can all come off and you're left with a lovely tin. Well done, lads. So here's what we should get inside, and as you see, they're little cardboard ponies. Rainbow Dash and Applejack. You also get something else in there as well. Now, in here, there's nothing. Oh, there is stuff in here. Yes, it's the accoutrements. So in here we've got instructions, and now you can see they're all quite easy to follow. We also have a book, which is basically just a short novelization of the episode Derby Day Races. No, the Cart Before the Ponies, the actual episode name is. They changed for this, so because, I don't know, make you think you're getting an original story. Ooh, sneaky. Let's go on to the main meat of the pudding. Figures. So we'll start with my favourite of the two. Of the main 6, actually. Not my overall favourite pony. That would be, of course, Trixie. #1 pony waifu. Legit. But we haven't got Trixie today. We've just got 2 ponies. And this is my favourite main 6 pony. Rainbow Dash. And they've captured it pretty well. It's built up using printed out pictures, printed on thick card, high quality foam card. There was some problems with Rainbow Dash. Some of the printing has worn off on the wings, but still pretty good. I like this. Actually, most foam kits, you put them together and they break and snap. This, very strong. I think that's because they've kind of got a higher quality material going on here. It's kind of more glossy and smooth, and also bigger pieces. So it really goes together really nicely. You know, and they kind of do look pretty good. From the side, not the back, especially not the front, but from like that sort of angle, it does look good, and it even has keep marks on both sides. Next up we have Applejack. Now, I don't mind Applejack, but I am a bit salty that she was one of the ones who dissed my waifu, Trixie. But she's alright. She's pretty cool, actually. Once you get over that. She's got a hat. So the hat just goes on this. Again, looks really nice. There's not much here to say that's different. It's just that the hat is easily removable. One side, but one side not. And actually more accurate. These are really accurate. The character design, probably because they just ripped high-res pictures and printed them out, but still, it's done really nicely. a really nice set. You get a book in there as well, nice. You get instructions, and just looking there you can see how it all goes together. Each bit is a flat 2D thing and it all piles up nicely. Really nicely. It's a really satisfying, short but sweet build for making these. So I recommend this product. It gets legit out of object. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. See ya. See ya. Everybody.